A very warm good morning to each and every one of you. Dear Vivekians, this side Uma ma'am. I hope you all have been eagerly waiting for the next science session. So, let's have a quick recap of the topics covered in the last day. So, in the last session, we learned that plants are known as producers as they make their own food. We also learned that different parts of plants can be used as our food like seed, fruit, leaf, flower and stem. We learned the two examples of roots as food, that is carrot and radish, and stem as food, that is sugarcane and ginger. Moving forward today, we will learn about leaves as food. So let us read. Leaves prepare food for entire plant by the process of photosynthesis. Yesterday we learned about photosynthesis, that what are the things required? Yes, water, sunlight, carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis along with green pigment, chlorophyll. But some leaves also store food in them. So that becomes our food. So what are the examples? The examples are cabbage, lettuce and spinach. Now moving ahead, we will learn about flowers as food. So flowers are the most attractive part of the plant. Yes, everyone loves flowers in their garden. But some flowers are also used as a part of our food. So what are the examples of flowers as food? The examples are cauliflower, broccoli and banana flower. Now coming to fruits and vegetables as food. Plants provide us variety of fruits and vegetables. So one by one we will see the examples. So what are the examples of fruit? Yes, you eat every day fruit. So apple, banana, grapes and mango. Now what are the examples of vegetables? Capsicum, brinjal and pumpkin. So vegetables can be eaten raw or cooked. So certain vegetables like tomato can be eaten raw also, and brinjal is to be cooked and eaten. Dear students, let's shift our focus on an interesting topic. You know about diet preference. Some people are vegetarian, some are non-vegetarian and some are vegan. Vegan seems a new word for you. So let me explain it to you. First, who are vegetarians? Vegetarians are those people who prefer to eat plant products like fruits, seeds, vegetables, etc. and some animal products like butter, cheese and honey. But they strictly avoid eating egg or flesh of animals. Who are non-vegetarians? Non-vegetarians are those who prefer to eat plant products as well as animal products like chicken, egg and fishes. Now coming to vegan. So who are vegans? Vegans are basically people who only eat plant products and avoid any kind of animal products, not even food like cheese, honey, milk, etc. So let us read about vegan. So this is let's appreciate. We will read about vegans one by one. So as you all know, they are different from vegetarians and non-vegetarians. So there are another set of people who do not eat any product that comes from animals, not even milk or honey. Such people are called vegans. So what does vegan eat? Vegan eat only plant products and drink vegan milk. So what is vegan milk? The vegan milk is different. It does not come from cow, buffalo or any other animal. It is made from almonds, soy, peanuts and other nuts. So here is a new kind of milk that you heard about, that is soy milk, almond milk and peanut milk. So they are being consumed by the vegans. With the increase in choices of food items, vegans also now have a choice to choose from a variety of plant-based dairy products. We should appreciate the effort of people like Abhay Rangan. So here is an example of a person known as Abhay Rangan. So who is Abhay Rangan? Let us read. Abhay Rangan is a 21-year-old boy who founded Good Milk. Good Milk is a brand that produces and supplies the alternatives of animal milk product. So dear student, I hope this session has been very interesting and informative to you. So in the next session, we will cover seeds as food and food from animals. So kindly revise the topics that we have already covered and do your assignments on time. Thank you so much.